Introducing Naked Yoga, a revolutionary way to connect with your body and free your mind. Experience the ultimate liberation as you explore the art of yoga in its purest form, unencumbered by clothing. Discover a new level of self-acceptance and body positivity in our inclusive naked yoga classes. Join us on a transformative journey that embraces vulnerability, self-expression, and inner peace. Unleash your inner strength and confidence as you embrace your natural state during naked yoga sessions. Revel in the joy of being fully present in your body as you move through various yoga poses. Experience the exhilarating sensation of air against your skin as you deepen your yoga practice. Our qualified instructors will guide you through a safe, supportive, and judgment-free environment. Immerse yourself in a unique blend of mindfulness, physicality, and self-discovery through naked yoga. Enhance your mind-body connection and unlock new levels of flexibility and strength. Discover the beauty and power of your body as you cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness. Break free from societal norms and embrace a more authentic and liberated version of yourself. Leave behind inhibitions and experience the freedom to be truly comfortable in your own skin. Celebrate your body's natural grace and movement in an empowering and uplifting naked yoga practice. Explore the spiritual aspect of yoga without any distractions, allowing for a greater connection with yourself. Release stress and tension as you immerse yourself in the meditative flow of naked yoga sequences. Discover the beauty of vulnerability as you shed layers, both physical and emotional, through naked yoga. Find strength and acceptance in your body exactly as it is, without judgment or comparison. Experience a deeper sense of self-love and acceptance through the practice of naked yoga. Unwind and recharge as you engage in a practice that nourishes both your body and soul. Join a community of like-minded individuals who support each other on their naked yoga journey. Embrace the healing power of touch as you connect with yourself and others in partner naked yoga. Experience the profound liberation that comes from embracing your authentic self through naked yoga. Step into a space of body positivity and self-confidence as you embrace the practice of naked yoga. Discover the transformative potential of naked yoga and embark on a journey towards self-discovery and empowerment.